In this video, we'll discuss the link block, which allows you to set a link anywhere on your page to an internal page in your CMS or an external page somewhere on the internet. On the Details tab, you'll find options to set the internal display name and description for the link block. Over on the Link Settings tab, you'll find settings for customizing the block functionality. The Label field lets you set the text for the link. The link type setting gives you destination options for the link, such as CMS page, which brings up an additional setting to choose a page within your CMS. Static URL, which provides a field to insert a URL for external or internal pages. As a side note, when using an external URL, ensure that you are using the full URL for the block to function properly. Otherwise, the block will assume you are using an internal URL and will append it to the domain. Join form, which sends the visitor to the join form upon clicking the link. Logout, which signs the member out if used on a page in the member area. And label, which keeps the visitor on the current page. No matter the link type, the href target gives you control over whether the visitor is directed to the target in the current tab or a separate tab. In addition to these settings, you can set a custom name for a class or ID that can be further customized using CSS. An SVG icon can also be used if you wish to add a little more charm to the links. When using an SVG icon, a button class for the link must also be used for the icon to appear properly. Lastly, you can set additional query strings that will be added to the URL that can aid another block on a separate page. Over on the Design tab, you can adjust the width, margins, and padding to control how much space the block takes up on the page. You can also set background colors and custom IDs or classes if you need additional styling control. And that's all the settings you need to know when using the link block. Thanks for watching. If you wish to learn more about the block builder, see our block builder video. Or watch our navigation list block video and navigation bar block video to see other navigation elements at work.